your syllabus will be reduced? If you ask me personally, I will say yes, your syllabus will be reduced. Education department is also lenient and all are in favor of students. Hello everyone, this is Amit and welcome to our channel Study with Amit. So today we are going to talk about an important thing in the sense that I will tell you that will examination be held or not, और क्या सिलेबस रिड्यूस कराई जाएगी, विल सिलेबस बी रिड्यूस्ड. क्योंकि ये बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मुझे कमेंट कर रहे थे, दे वर टेलिंग मी दैट will syllabus be reduced this year, will syllabus be reduced for 2022 students, for board students. So for them I will say that clearly this video will clear all your doubts which you have for reduction of syllabus. क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स कहीं ना कहीं परेशान है, क्योंकि पिछले साल जैसे कि इन दिस ईयर 2021 द सिलेबस वाज रिड्यूस्ड फॉर 2021 बैच, इट शुड बी रिड्यूस्ड फॉर 2022 स्टूडेंट्स, and I will say that it would be reduced surely for sure for 2022 students. So that we'll discuss in this video. So if you are from any state, any boards, any country, it doesn't matter, क्योंकि situation everywhere situation is same, and we have seen that our education ministry or education department or government have kept all the things in mind, all the precautions in mind, and then only your schools are closed. Your schools are closed. Why? Because government thinks of you, means they have that yes, the students should be protected. That's why this policy is applied. That's very clear. After this we go to the reduction of syllabus. Now when we see of syllabus, syllabus is very vast. If you are from any class, if you are from class 10th, then you will find your class 10th syllabus very difficult. If you are from class 5th, you will find your class 5th syllabus very difficult. So that's why I will say that level of difficulty will only be decreased by reduction of syllabus, because this is the way we have seen this in 2021 year and we want this in 2022 year also. After this, if you are here, why you are here? You want that your syllabus should be reduced. Yes, right. So I will say that yes, syllabus should be reduced. After this we say that education ministry, what about education ministry, what education ministry thinks of it? That this year education ministry and all the boards have been lenient towards students, and that we have seen. And after this we move and we see that our what we say, the marking scheme which is currently released, you would have also known of this, that 30-30-40 this policy is applied. 30 from class 10th, 30 from class 11th, and 40 from class 12th pre-board. That policy is applied. So we have seen that this will give which kind of marks, that so I can't say, but this policy will be applied totally, so that will affect your marks. Education department is also lenient and all are in favor of students. Now after this 2021 year has got their result, their main focus, main motto will be on class, means 2022 batch of class 10th and 12th and all the classes. क्योंकि यदि if class 10th and 12th syllabus is reduced, if 10th और 12th की syllabus reduce की जाती है, so that will affect class 1 to 9 and 11th also, that will be affected. So that's why I will say that if something is reduced from class 10th or class 12th, then it will affect whole, means all the classes. After this we reach to the reduction of syllabus. So yes, it will be reduced someday. In which day I also don't know, I can't say. If I was someone that who can reduce the syllabus, so I would have done it today. यदि मेरे पास ऐसे कुछ रहती कि मैं सिलेबस रिड्यूस करा सकता हूं, so I would have done it today, but I am not at that place, so I can't help you all. But yes, we can do something. What is it? It's Twitter. So you can go and tweet now that reduce syllabus 2022. So that will be a big help for you, and so the syllabus will be reduced, because we have seen that Twitter is only one weapon in our hands, and that will help us. That will help us a lot. So that's all. and this was the thing, this was the video, and your syllabus will be reduced. If you ask me personally, I will say yes, your syllabus will be reduced. And if your syllabus is reduced, then yes, the difficulty level of each and every class will be reduced, and which will help students in their studies. And the all the things, all the situations, all the things are like previous year also students had got benefit from this situation, and this year also, if we see of this year, they will also get some benefit from this, means from the going situation which is there. So this is the thing, this was the video. Thanks for watching this. If you find this helpful, then do share it with your friends, and if you are till here, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, from which you will get all the updates from this channel. So thank you, have a good day, and Jai Hind.